Okay, so if we've installed a security system to your car, we may have added a driver recognition card. Now, we use these cards as an added layer of defence against theft by key cloning or key theft. So somebody, so with a CAN alarm, a vehicle alarm that operates via the CAN network, when you press your remote control, your Ford remote control, your Vauxhall remote control, your Mercedes remote control, it will arm our alarm system, because our alarm system is looking on the CAN network for the lock signal, so it knows when to arm. It also knows when to disarm because it looks for the unlock signal the same way. So obviously if somebody steals a key or clones a key, you don't want them simply turning the additional security off. So we have the driver card. So this driver card basically, if the system's programmed to recognise a driver card, it won't disarm until it's seen the card. So when somebody presses the unlock button or a stolen or a cloned remote control, the alarm will go into a disarm state, but it won't actually disarm fully until it's seen this card. If it doesn't see this card within about 20 seconds or so, it will fully trigger the alarm. If you've got immobilisation as well, it won't allow you to start the car until it can see the card. So if many people have a card to use every day and a spare card. So as you can see, the card's switched on, so you can see it's transmitting a code every 3 seconds. You see there by the little red light flashing, that's telling us it's transmitting a code every 3 seconds. So basically, our alarm sees the signal on the CAN network when you press the factory remote control. Then the system looks for the wireless signal from this card. Once it sees it, it disarms. So obviously in here there's a little battery. So it's transmitting every 3 seconds, so eventually it eats your battery up. 2032 cell battery. There's no special programming required if you need to change your battery. Just split the card apart, one battery out, one battery in, and you're good to go. Typically we've had these with good batteries from stock, we've had these working 18 months before you need to replace a battery. You'll know if you need to replace your battery because it will start getting lazy to disarm. If you've got a spare card, there's no need to have it switched on, transmitted all the time. So I'll show you how to turn the card off. So what you're going to do, as you see, the button, the light is flashing every 3 seconds or so we know the card's turned on. But what we're going to do, we'll press and hold for about 10 seconds until the light goes out, or until you can't feel your thumb anymore. There you go, the light's gone out. So now we know that card's turned off. You see it's not flashing every 3 seconds now, it's turned off. You can do what you like with that card, can't be seen. And then to turn the card back on, brief push, wakes it back up again. You see it start transmitting every 3 seconds again. So if you need to keep your card in storage, spare card in storage, and you're concerned about its battery life, you can simply turn it off. So there you go. Driver recognition via a driver card with your vehicle security system. That's how your card works. Simple.